Hello, and thanks for taking the time to find out a little more about the avant-garde Range Rover, the Velar. Winner of a slew of design awards due to its progressive, reductionist aesthetic, Velar's striking looks are complemented by the modern, clean lines of the interior, offering luxury and refinement in a calm and serene environment. The smooth, unfussy standard design looks to me like the car has been hewn from a single block of metal, understated and sophisticated. The R-Dynamic option adds a few more aspects of jewellery, the bonnet louvers and the splitters on the front air intakes, all complemented by the satin dark grey alloy wheels. Inside, R-Dynamic darkens the headlining and interior trim. The design incorporates the latest technology. LED headlights are standard, providing a bright white light. And there's the option for matrix LED headlights, which create cones of shadow around oncoming vehicles so that drivers are not dazzled, but allow you the benefits of full beam lighting everywhere else. The flush deployable door handles aid aerodynamics and reduce wind noise and provide a moment of theatre every morning when you unlock the car and it offers its handles out to you. The wheels are available in sizes from 18-inch up to 22-inch. At the back of the car, the powered tailgate allows access to the generous boot space. Seats fold down to extend this into a space that can support the most active lifestyles. It's tempting to see the Velar as a halfway point between the compact Evoque and the Range Rover Sport. But in terms of size and specification, the Velar is actually much closer to Range Rover Sport, only 5 centimetres shorter in fact, and this is reflected in the size of the boot and the rear seat space. Exploring the spacious interior, heated front seats are standard. The range-topping HSE gets cooled seats and a range of massage settings. Land Rover's latest PIVI infotainment system is instantly ready to accept commands when you enter the vehicle and updates automatically over the air. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the integration of your phone can be taken further with the dedicated app, which allows remote lock and unlock, export of journey logs to an Excel spreadsheet, and remote start, which allows the Velar to securely de-ice and warm itself up ready for departure in winter, and cool itself down before you get in for your comfort in summer. Every model comes with Land Rover's unique 3D surround camera system, offering simulated views around the vehicle for unrivaled visibility in off- and on-road situations. Out on the road, Velar is quiet, refined, with a confident stability. Everything that a modern Range Rover should be, absorbing surface irregularities while still keeping the driver feeling connected to the road. The standard torque vectoring lends a suppleness to the cornering, whilst adaptive suspension dampeners can lend a sportier firmness to the ride when required. The choice of powertrains ensures every owner will find their perfect match. The 2 and 3 litre diesel engines provide plenty of low-down torque, up to 650 Nm, and will suit those looking for a motorway cruiser or a capable towing vehicle. The 2 litre petrol engine provides 250 PS for a spirited drive, whilst performance-oriented drivers can select the 3 litre straight 6 petrol with 400 PS and 0 to 60 in just 5.2 seconds. The best fuel and tax efficiency is offered by the new plug-in hybrid. Combining a petrol engine with an electric motor gives punchy, zero-emission driving around cities and no concern about range on longer journeys. You simply drive it as you would a petrol car and plug it in when you come home. The car will automatically switch between electric and petrol propulsion. The P400e PHEV's electric-only range of up to 33 miles means that for those with average commutes, most of the journey will be conducted without starting the petrol engine, and the batteries can recharge in a couple of hours when plugged into a dedicated charging socket. A regular 3-pin socket will do the job overnight. CO2 can be as low as 50 grams per kilometre, so for company car owners, the P400e can offer very attractive benefit-in-kind rates as low as 10% for 2021 tax year and exemption from the London congestion charge until October 2021. It also reaches 60 miles an hour in a very tidy 5.1 seconds for a rewarding dynamic drive. On longer journeys, the electric motor works in combination with the 2 litre petrol engine, regaining charge when the car decelerates. For typical usage, the Velar P400e combines efficient motorway driving with zero-emission city driving. Whilst the Velar is the most road-focused car in the Land Rover family, it still includes complete all-terrain capability, with all-wheel drive and the full range of Land Rover traction control systems to give you full confidence when conditions turn to snow and ice. The air suspension option allows the car to raise up an extra 50 millimetres when required to increase the ground clearance and wading depth. The larger diesel engines get electronic air suspension included on HSE, and there's a range of driving technologies included. Blind spot assist to look out for traffic in adjacent lanes and alert you if a car is heading to overtake, and adaptive cruise control, which uses radar to match the speed of the car in front, slowing all the way down to a stop if necessary for relaxed motorway driving and stress-free control in start-stop traffic. Thank you for spending a little more time getting to know about the Range Rover Velar. Further information can be found on the Land Rover website or YouTube channel.